This brief YouTube video serves as supplementary material for a more in-depth discussion of the differences between DirectX 9 and DirectX 10 in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Therefore, if you're not already at flightsimulationguru.com, please click on the link in the video's description to be taken to the rest of the article. Here you can see a pass over a typical runway with taxiways using DirectX 9 in Microsoft Flight Simulator 10. As you can see, everything looks more or less normal. Notice how the intersection between the taxiways and the runways is very crisp, and also the markings on the taxiway are also very crisp. However, here in DirectX 10, you can see the problem people talk about where there's flickering between the intersection of taxiways and runways. Anytime there's movement either from the aircraft or in this case slewing over top of the runway, there's really bad flickering where the texture of the taxiway appears on the runway, and also the markings on the taxiway also flicker quite bad. Here we go over a taxiway in DirectX 9 now again, and you can see once more the markings on the taxiway are very crisp. There's no flickering either of the texture of the taxiway or the runway, or of the markings on the taxiway or the runway. However, if we switch here now back to DirectX 10 again, you can see, again, very bad flickering of the textures, particularly the marking on the taxiway. And again, when the taxiway intersects the runway, there's very bad flickering. Important to note as well that the actual quality of the graphics is really no different between DirectX 9 and DirectX 10, although DirectX 10 does have a bit better frame rate performance on most systems.